Yo, what's up everybody? Chad Bennett here at Nonstop Money TV. Welcome back to another online money making video. And in today's video, I want to be sharing with you some brand new Bitcoin news that's breaking that I think is very important that you need to know about. I'm also going to show you in this video how simple it is to buy Bitcoin. Understand one thing, you guys. Recently here, I learned there's a lot of folks that just don't know how to buy Bitcoin. I know what it's like to be brand new. I know what it's like to know nothing about Bitcoin. You know, previously I thought that I had to mine Bitcoin to actually acquire it. No, that is not true. You can actually buy Bitcoin with your very own cryptocurrency wallet, you guys. This is very, very simple. I'm going to show you where I go to buy my Bitcoin and other different types of cryptocurrencies. And I'm also going to share with you, as promised, you guys, some really important news because I believe personally that there's a whole tsunami of opportunity that's coming that you need to be ready to take advantage of. I'm also going to share with you a few tips and tricks of how you can start earning some free Bitcoin in here. I'll leave some links down in the description that will guide you over there, that you can do some very, very simple things and start earning some free Bitcoin. So I'll throw that in here as well. And I'm also going to show you in this video my #1 recommendation and give you access to my mentor that absolutely changed the game for me and showed me how to start earning passive income online and start my very own online business. So without further ado, make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. All right, you guys, who's ready for some brand new Bitcoin news and to learn how to buy Bitcoin? Now, before I reveal to you exactly how we're going to do this, I need you to do me one huge favor. Make sure that you crush that thumbs up until it turns blue. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you hit that bell notification. Make sure that you drop me a comment, check in, let me know that you were here, and make sure that you share this video with your friends and your family so we can help other people make money online too. That is what this channel right here is all about, is helping folks make money online. Understand, you guys, I know what it's like to be brand new, to make no money at all online. That's why I started this channel. I want to help as many folks as I possibly can start their own online business and start to earn passive income so they wake up every single day with money in their bank account so they can quit their job and live the life of their dreams. All right, you guys, who's ready for some brand new, exciting news about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency that you need to know about? And again, I'm also going to be sharing with you how to start purchasing Bitcoin and different types of cryptocurrencies. So it's important that you stick with me through this entire video. Now, first and foremost, I want to share with you as well that it's important that you understand that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for educational purposes only. This is my take. This is a huge opportunity that I see coming, and I just want to share this with as many people as I possibly can so that they start to pay attention and they can take part, they can partake in this tsunami of opportunity that I believe is on the horizon. It's happening right now. There's a huge transfer of wealth happening. And cryptocurrency, I personally believe, is the future. Now, I'm going to share with you why here with these 3 different articles that I believe have a significant impact on why you should be paying attention to cryptocurrency, Bitcoin in particular right now. So first and foremost right now, what we're looking at here is Coindesk.com. This is an article that I pulled up. This was published on August 11th, and it's talking about MicroStrategy. This is a publicly traded company, you guys. They purchased $250 million in Bitcoin, calling the crypto superior to cash. And the reason that they're doing this is because I believe personally, if you're following this, I believe the stock market is going to crash. It has a huge bubble right now. It's eventually going to crash. Inside traders and stuff are already pulling their money out of the stock market. CEOs that have insider perspectives on what's going on, the health of their companies right now, are pulling all of their money out. The economy is literally in shambles right now, but people are pumping tons of money into the stock market right now, the liquidity, and that has to do with the Fed printing all kinds of money right now, and that's what's keeping all of this afloat. Well, the government cannot print money forever, and I believe that they're going to do this all the way up until maybe the election because they want to keep their numbers good. They want to keep everybody happy, right? They don't want the stock market crashing before the election, so they're going to keep trying to stimulate the economy up until then. After that, I don't know, but they cannot stimulate the economy forever. Now, what's wrong here is that the more that the government prints trillions and trillions of dollars worth of fiat money, you guys, it devalues the dollar and basically eventually makes it worthless. So what happens here is cryptocurrency, you guys, these companies, these large corporations, and other folks as well, I'm going to get to another article here in just a moment, are starting to realize that they need to put their money into something else, right? Silver, gold, and I believe personally, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, you guys, Bitcoin in particularly, for one simple reason, and that's from what I believe. There's only, or not what I believe, but what's a fact is there's only 21 million Bitcoin, and there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be your digital gold, and it's related to gold. It trades similar to gold, and they kind of follow the same exact patterns. So I don't want to get all super technical because I'm not technical about this at all. I just want to point out, what I see going on. The fact that MicroStrategy right here is buying 21,454 Bitcoin, $250 million worth of Bitcoin to hedge against inflation is huge. I believe this is probably the first time that a publicly traded company, is buying Bitcoin, you guys. So once they did this, their stock price shot up, I believe, like 10%. So one other thing that I want to point out, this is huge, right? So what this means here, I want to go back here. What this means here is that big corporations, and once one of them does this, so MicroStrategy has done this, others are going to eventually start to follow suit because this gave acceptance to it, right? They weren't the first one. Now others can follow, and they didn't have to be the first one to do this, right? So other big corporations are going to start to do this as well. Now, something else that's really important that's happened recently in the news here that has to do with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is Warren Buffett himself. Berkshire Hathaway has pulled a ton of money, if not all of their money, out of stocks, out of banks, and they bought a gold mine. They invested a ton of money into shares of a Canadian company that mines gold. Now, what that's telling us, when you see really wealthy people, CEOs, and people that know money start to buy gold, what they're saying is they don't trust the US financial system. They don't trust the stock market anymore. So they're buying gold, they're buying silver, and you should also be buying Bitcoin. And the reason that they're doing is to hedge against inflation, to have a safe haven for their money so they can still earn a return on their investments. By the way, gold is set to go through the roof as well, but Bitcoin is set to exceed that exponentially here. So why is this important, you guys? Warren Buffett himself does not believe in cryptocurrency, he does not believe in Bitcoin, but I personally believe that's because he's old money. He doesn't see the future. Just like when folks first saw the internet and they thought nothing of it, they didn't think that it was going anywhere at all. Look at the internet today. Think of the first iPhone when it first came out and what it did to the phones. That's exactly what's going to be happening here with cryptocurrency, you guys. Understand that China has been progressively working on their own, digital dollar for China, right? And the US has been doing this as well. China's going to lead this. They're trying to get this out by the end of the year. The US actually tried to pass their very own digital dollar in the first bill of when it came out with the coronavirus pandemic, right? The Democrats actually tried to slip that in there. So they're working on this as well. You can research both of those items are very, very true. And the reason that this is significant, you guys, is because once these countries come out with their very own cryptocurrency and it becomes mainstream to actually use cryptocurrency and you don't actually have physical money anymore, well, now it's accepted, and Bitcoin is going to be your digital gold, you guys. That's what people are going to be using. That's why this is so, so important right here. Pay attention to this. And now the next article that I want to show you is super important as well. And the reason that this is so important here is because this was posted on July 22nd right here. So the people that regulate banks and policy as to whether or not they can hold cryptocurrency, this is important because big banks before here in the US at least, could not hold your digital assets. And now they've been given the green light to hold your digital currencies. So like Chase, Bank of America, all these big financial institutions, they're not doing it yet because they haven't come out with policies and how to actually do this yet, but they're now allowed to hold your digital assets. That is huge. Because one of the things that people didn't like before is you buy all these different cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin in particular, and you can't actually go to a big bank, right, and have them hold that and be able to pull the money out. Well, now, if you can go to things that are familiar and it's becoming more mainstream, this is absolutely going to explode. All of these things are taking place, you guys. There's other things in the news that are happening as well. Bitcoin recently today broke 12,000, which is really, really important as well. It's trading over $12,000 for one Bitcoin, and it's set to exponentially literally explode. Start paying attention. I'll start talking about it more on this channel because I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity. Now I want to show you how you can start buying Bitcoin. This is very, very simple, very easy to do. All right, you guys, now I want you to understand that I was brand new to cryptocurrency as well. I didn't know you could buy it. I thought you had to mine it, and just talking to some folks, trying to share some of this with friends and stuff, people really don't understand cryptocurrency. There's a lot of folks that don't understand Bitcoin. That's why I wanted to get this video out there. I wanted to teach folks how they can start buying Bitcoin very, very simply here. So we're on this website called thebalance.com right now, and all I did was go into Google and I typed in best overall cryptocurrency wallet, right? Because what you need to buy Bitcoin is a crypto wallet, you guys. It's basically like a bank, if you will, a holding place for all the cryptocurrency that you buy. And when you come here to thebalance.com, this was the first thing listed in Google, you guys. When you click on this, it's going to tell you the best Bitcoin or the best Bitcoin wallets of 2020. And lo and behold, at the top right here, this is exactly the same way that I found out about this. They have Coinbase right here. It's a crypto wallet and it's rated best overall. And that's exactly what I'm using as my very own crypto wallet to buy Bitcoin. It's very, very simple. It's very easy to do. I can't tell you much about these other ones that are below this because I've never used them. But Coinbase is very user-friendly. It's very easy, and they just make it really, really simple. And Google seems to think, and as well as the Balance right here, that it is the best overall cryptocurrency wallet. And I feel the same way, you guys, just in my experience. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you over to Coinbase.com right here. Now, when you arrive here, what you want to do is very simply go up here into the corner where it says Get Started. And once you click on this, it's going to ask for your name, your email address. It's going to guide you through a very easy sign-up process. Again, this is the best overall crypto wallet, so you can trust this. They have very high security, and they take it really serious, you guys. And it's very easy to get signed up. You're going to follow the instructions. You're going to connect your bank account as well. One thing I want to point out right here on Coinbase.com is that you can earn right now $115 worth of cryptocurrency just for learning about cryptocurrency. They talk about that down here at the bottom as well. I've actually been invited into this program myself, and I've earned upwards of $100 worth of free crypto just for watching some very short videos, taking some small quizzes that you can't fail, by the way, because you can continuously just click on the answers until you get the correct answer. They're going to give you free cryptocurrency. Now, one little trick about that, if you want to do this, is you need to invest and buy some Bitcoin, because I noticed once I just signed up for a Coinbase account, and if you're waiting for this invite, they don't really send out the invitations if you haven't actually invested into cryptocurrency, if you haven't actually bought anything. Once you start to invest, you will most likely get an invite. That's what happened to me personally. And I noticed a lot of people all the time are saying, I never get an invite. Well, it's probably because you've never actually invested any Bitcoin or buy any cryptocurrency on this site. So as soon as you do that, you'll probably get the invite. And right now you can earn up to $115 worth of cryptocurrency, you guys. This number fluctuates a lot. I've seen it be 153. I've seen it all the way up into the 160s of free crypto, literally for, just learning about it. They want to educate folks about cryptocurrency. Understand once cryptocurrency goes mainstream, it's going to absolutely explode. So they're giving away free cash just to educate people so that they understand what cryptocurrency is. I also really quickly here wanted to show you the application that they have for Coinbase, because you can do this from your smart devices. You do not need to have a computer. You can do this from your phone, you guys, whether you have an iOS device or an Android device. You can go to the App Store, download the Coinbase application, install that, and start buying cryptocurrency, Bitcoin in particular. So I'm going to take you over to Coinbase right here and show you this over in Coinbase. As you can see, there's 843 different ratings on there, almost breaking into that 5th star right there. So that's a very, very good rating. If we check it out over in the Apple App Store as well, you can see again, it's been rated 4.7 stars right there, been rated by 831,500 people. That is a ton of people. That's a phenomenal rating. And what's really cool, I know from experience, is I do this on my phone all the time. I buy Bitcoin from my phone right here from this app, and it's very, very simple, easy to use. So the first step in buying Bitcoin is to come to Coinbase.com, create your account. Now, once you've created your account and you've logged in, this is what you're going to see right here. This is the backside. Once you're logged in, this is what it looks like, at least on a desktop computer. The app looks very similar to this as well. Now, the second step is you need to link your financial institution, how you're going to fund, the crypto that you're going to buy. I have my bank account linked to this. I'm not going to show you all that information, obviously, for certain purposes, but you're going to link your financial institution. It will guide you through that when you go to buy this. I just want to show you just how simple it is to buy Bitcoin. So what we're going to do once we're logged in here is we're going to come down here to where it says Bitcoin. And what you're seeing down here as well is other different types of cryptocurrencies. They have Ethereum, they have XRP, also known as Ripple, EOS coin, but we're focusing on Bitcoin right here. So we're gonna click on Bitcoin, we're gonna hit view asset, and then the next thing that you wanna do is focus your attention right over here. This is where you buy, sell, and convert Bitcoin into different types of cryptocurrencies. So if you wanted to sell it, if you made some money, you want to sell, you can sell your cryptocurrency right here, and you can also convert it into other different types of crypto. But we're focusing on buying, right? We want to buy cryptocurrency. So we're going to click on buy right here, and then you're going to come down here to this next box right here, and you're just going to type in how much money you want to spend to buy Bitcoin. Now I want to explain this as well. A lot of folks seem to think that they have to buy an entire Bitcoin, right? And an entire Bitcoin right now trades for $12,017. That's what it costs to buy a Bitcoin. Right now we're watching this live, and you're gonna see this fluctuate because it's live, but you don't have to buy an entire Bitcoin. You can buy $1, $2 worth of Bitcoin. It doesn't matter, even if it's just $5. And one other cool little hack right here that not a lot of people know about is you can actually set this up to happen automatically for you, so you don't have to come back in here every week or 2 weeks if you're gonna continuously keep buying Bitcoin. You can set this to happen automatically for you. So you just click right here where it says one-time purchase, and you can set this to happen, for this to happen every day. You can spend a couple dollars a day buying Bitcoin. You can do this every week if you want. You can do it on the 1st and the 15th, or once a month, every single month. And what's really cool about that is that's a great way to set something on autopilot and be buying Bitcoin, you know, every couple of weeks, you know, and at the end of the year, you're gonna have a substantial amount of Bitcoin sitting there, and this happens automatically without you having to think about it. It's a huge little hack right there. I just wanted to share with you. But what you wanna do is come here to where it says buy, and you just type in how much Bitcoin you wanna buy, whether it's $20 worth of Bitcoin, whether it's $2,000 worth of Bitcoin, and you wanna make sure it says buy Bitcoin right here, and you're gonna say pay with whatever you have set up to actually buy that Bitcoin. I think you can actually even do it on credit cards on here as well. Once you've done that, you're simply going to click preview buy, and you're just gonna follow through with this. It's one more step. You're gonna hit buy now, and you will purchase Bitcoin. And what you're gonna see here once you've done that is your Bitcoin balance. If you come back over here to where it says portfolio right here, you're going to see how much Bitcoin you own. Right now you can see I own 6.87 Bitcoin, and that's worth the equivalent of $82,503 US dollars right now. It's really that simple, you guys. It's not complicated at all. Don't make it complicated. Now, I promised you at the beginning of this video that I was going to share with you and give you direct access to my mentor that absolutely changed my life and has helped me start creating passive income, helped me start my very own online business so that I could get time back on my side, you guys, so that I could literally live the laptop lifestyle. Understand, about a year ago, I was watching folks online just like you, typing in how to make money online, free Bitcoin, and stuff like that. And I saw people making a significant amount of money, and I knew it was possible. I spent the past 15 years of my life, you know, fumbling around, trying all kinds of different crazy businesses, only to fail over and over again. I knew I just needed the recipe to success. Someone that could tell me step by step exactly what I needed to do so that I could create my own online business, so that I could get passive income, so I could get time back on my side, so I could live that same type of lifestyle. If you want similar results to somebody else, all you need to do is copy their recipe to success, you guys. The problem is a lot of people aren't willing to share that. Well, what if I could give you direct access to my mentor that gave me his blueprint that showed me step by step exactly what you need to do to create a profitable online business that pays you passive income, so you can literally travel the world, work when you want, get time back on your side, whether you want to be hanging out with your friends, your family, boating, whatever it is, you guys. Understand, you guys, people are making thousands of dollars a day. Some are making millions of dollars a year online with their very own online business. And what's really cool as well is they have none of their own products. They have no overhead at all. All they really learned was how to develop a high income skill. And that's what I want to show you. That's what I want to teach you. If this is you, if this is your year, if you want to absolutely blow the roof off and quit your job and never have to depend on an employer ever again, check out my #1 recommendation. It's down in the top of the description, you guys. I cannot recommend that enough. I promise you it will change your life if you take that seriously. If you buckle down in the next 15 days, you literally can have your very own online business set up and running and start making your first dollars online. That's where it's at. I cannot recommend it enough. Check that out, buy Bitcoin, and check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of the description. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please make sure that you crush that thumbs up until it turns blue. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, that you hit that bell notification, that you dropped me a comment, let me know that you're here, and that you share this video out on social media with your friends, your family, on Facebook, Twitter, you guys, so that we can help as many people buy Bitcoin, different types of cryptocurrencies, so they can ride this tsunami that I believe is on the horizon and make a significant amount of money, and to start their very own online business so that they never depend on a paycheck again. You guys believe in yourselves. You can do it. Make sure that you check back with me. I'm coming out with videos every single week. This is all I have for you today. I will see you on the next one. Peace.